You can't fall even if you wanted to. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. How's that? Better. Hi everybody, it's Dr. Kristina Howell with Custom Living Hair, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor. Today we are here with
an equation.
You said you've been in Atlanta for 3 months now.
Yes.
Not loving the traffic. No, not loving the traffic.
Still trying to get used to it.
So when you hit me up, you stated that you'd only been adjusted never been adjusted. So I typically get a lot of patients that's never been adjusted before, which is great because I'm able to introduce them into chiropractic care in an environment that's comfortable for them. And that's the reason why I started doing this. Being mobile allows them to not have to worry about the traffic, not have to sit in a lobby, and essentially not have to waste all of that time to and from. You get to stop what you're doing immediately. I come in and set it up, and that's it, just like we're going to do today. Going through your report, it stated that you're having, a little bit of back pain, about an 8, and just from improper lifting, you stated. So we'll kind of go over that later. That happens. That's pretty common. A lot of people who experience low back pain, it can start with improper lifting or lifting something that might have been a little bit heavier than we should have attempted by ourselves. And it just takes knowing, education, knowledge, and that's what a lot of us chiropractors really try to do. So today I am going to try to align everything. I like to start from the pelvis up, and then we'll work out your arms and your legs. Any questions so far? Mm-hmm. All right. So, one last thing. You said you come in for acting, right? Anything particular you want to work on?
I want to dive into everything. I'm naturally drawn to dramatic pieces, but I'm also, even though I'm shy, I'm also a very goofy person, so comedy kind of comes natural.
So we're probably going to get some of that today, just a little bit. Oh, okay, all right. So we're going to start off with you laying face down. Your head's going to go there, feet's going to go down here. And we're just going to assess everything, okay? Do I need to lower that headpiece now?
Oh, sorry.
Okay? All right. Try to lift this one, whole leg. Ooh, do the other one. Better or worse or about the same?
About the same.
Okay, I'm going to touch the bone that you sit on, okay? All right, lift this one first, whole leg. A little closer to me from here. Scoot. Oh, yeah. All right. This one. Give yourself the soft tug. Okay, what's going to happen is you're going to look that way, and I'm going to pull your hip to me, and we're going to adjust right here. Okay, it's going to be real quick, just like that, all right? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Lean back. You can't fall even if you wanted to. Deep breath in, all the way out. There we go. How was that?
That felt better.
Better? Good. All right. Go ahead and flip over and do the other side. All right. If you would, inch your hips closer to me. A little bit more. There we go. Straighten that bottom leg. So you're going to take a look and you're going to look that way for me. All right? Deep breath in. All the way up. There we go. Lay on your stomach. Let's see if we got it. Down. Let it fall. let this ear fall in my hand. Relax that muscle. Just moving. And take a deep breath in for me. And out. Move your left foot over. There we go. How was that?
It caught me off guard.
Not as bad as you thought?
No.
Mm.
I was terrified seeing videos of next cracker. I'm like, oh my God, I'm a cracker.
But it wasn't that bad, right?
No.
All right, cool. All right, bring your foot back up for me. And let this ear fall in my hand. There we go. Very nice. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Good. All right. In a minute, I'm gonna have you sit up. So deep breath in. All the way out. Sitting up on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So all I have to do is I'm just gonna give a little tug right there. Okay. Alright, let your head fall towards me. Everybody.
I didn't even know like you would crack the ears. That's crazy.
Right. And it's like I was waiting. So let's see, because you were like, ain't nothing. She's doing. This is just extra. Alright. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
All right. So you're gonna take your hands and interlace your fingers behind your head. All right. I'm gonna put my arms through here. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. All right. Follow me. You're just gonna lay back on me. Good. All right. So we're gonna go with a really good stretch. Okay. So you're gonna take a deep breath in. All the way up. Nice pull. All right. And one more time, deep breath in. Let everything go out. Look up for me, all the way up. There we go. How was it?
Oh yeah, that felt much better.
That really helps open up all of this right there. All right, we're not done yet. So if you would, go ahead and lay on your back. We're gonna work on everything else.
Felt easy, but I always find myself like tipping over to one side out of balance. I wonder if that has anything to do with it.
I can take a look at it and see how you do with a lunge, because it might be some fine muscle skills or something with balance, so I can give you some exercises to do to help with your balance.
Okay.
We're gonna do a little pull here, take a deep breath in, all the way out. Let that ankle go. Good.
Oh wow.
Just your hips. Okay. A little bit of a pull here. We're going to adjust this knee. Okay.
Oh,
You okay?
yeah, that just felt something. Oh, I got that knee.
Yeah, we get everything. Kind of like rock them like this. Usually keep them strong. And I'm just going to separate real quick, just like that, okay? Prop your knees back. Prop your foot back. Yep. Okay. Put them together. Tight, tight, tight. Hold them. 1, 2, 3. You feel that?
Uh-huh.
Now it's called your pubic symphysis. It's like right where your hips align at the bottom. Mm-hmm. Just a little bit of pull on the axis. A little pull here, keep your shoulders strong. Your shoulders strong. Keep it strong. Relax out. Let it fall. Mm-hmm. Alright, you alright?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to take a deep breath in. And out the way out. And we're up on 30. 1, 2. How it feel?
I feel better, especially when you put your arms to mine, like pull me back and crack my back in the middle. Like that's the area it's hard for me to try to get.
Mm-hmm.
Especially, I guess, lifting people. I don't know. I guess it maybe it goes off track, but that felt much better.
Great. If you want, you want to stand up, walk around, see if you're feeling any of that tightness you felt before. Kind of move your neck around. We definitely had a really good adjustment on that one. So go ahead. Test it out. Take it for a trip. Experiencing anything different? Just like this. I feel fine. All right. Well, any questions?
No, I guess just the exercises to help with my balance.
Okay. Yeah, we'll work on that in just a minute. We're about to work on that. All right, everybody. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.